Today I want to record with my friends about debate games. His name is Azad. Azad, that playing games can actually help our brain work better.
Really? I don't believe that. Game can make people lazy and forget to study.
Not all games are bad. Some games can improve skill, memory, and focus, and even problem solving skill.
But many students and teachers today can stay up late and wake up for school.
That's true. But it depends on how we play. If we play for a short time, then can try reaction and teamwork.
I wish you were talking about like the game puzzle and something again.
Exactly. What about starting game? Can evolution of games make us think critically and critically.
But what about the figure game? They can make people aggressive.
That's a good point. Violent games, violent games can affect behavior if we play too often and long time. Parents should guide out their children.
So it's not the game itself. And what? And why people use it, right?
Yes, games can be good or bad. It all depends on how we manage our times and what kind of games we choose.
I agree now. Game and the brain. If you wish to.
Exactly. Learn hard, and play smart, learn hard, and respond. The best of the balance.
Yeah, let's keep your brain healthy and maybe play one round after homework.
Yeah, just one round.
Yeah.
Today our winner for debate. And thank you. Maybe that's all for we. Assalamualaikum